have a next form, that is linear upon under root quadratic. In that case what you have to write is, that is linear is equal to a into derivative of quadratic plus b, and on comparing the coefficients of x and the constant terms you will get the values of a and b. That is, compare coefficient of x and constant terms. Coefficient of x here is minus 2a is equal to 3. X here is this only, so it is minus 2a, and here it is 3. We got it a is equal to minus 3 by 2, and for constant term minus 2a plus b is equal to 1. A is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 3, b is equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So we got a and b here. Then in question, our question changes to numerator can be written as a plus b divided by under root of 5 minus 2x minus x square. So your question in numerator is changed into this. If you simplify, you will get again the same thing. So don't simplify it here. We have done this process to bifurcate the numerator, right? Then just separate these two terms here. Minus 3 by 2 minus 2 minus 2x divided by 5 minus 2x minus x square. Separate this and separate 2 upon under the root of 5 minus 2x minus x square. Integral of this, if we substitute this as t, this will be the derivative as we substituted it this like the same. If we put 5 minus 2x minus x square is equal to t, dx will be dt, right? And for the second part, we need to use completing the square method. We need to use completing the square method. Let it be complete I2 and let it be I1. So we will separately integrate it and then we'll add these two terms, right? So your I2 is integration of 2 divided by 5 minus 2x minus x square. For completing the square method, as I told you, coefficient of x square must be 1. Negative, as under root is there, we cannot take common, so it is already 1. Coefficient of x, take its half and its square. That is, half of 2 is 1, square, add and subtract. Then we got a square, and out of these two, b square will be, as this is negative, this you have to take negative, and this. So we got a form here that under root of 5 plus 1, that is 6, minus common x square plus 2x plus 1. Out of these three, minus common, all three are negative, minus common, all three will be positive. So you can write it now, under root of root 6 square minus x plus 1 whole square. Then what will be the integration here? That is sine inverse x upon a. This 2 will be there. Plus, let us say c dash, right? Integral of I1 part will be, for I1 part we are doing, put this is equal to t, this will be a dt, then your I1 part will be minus 3 by 2 integration of this will be your dt upon under root t. dt upon under root t. T to the power, you can write it, t to the power minus 1 by 2. And its integral is t to the power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1 plus c, and put the value of t 5 minus 2x minus x square, 5 minus 2x minus x square, and this will be in under root as power is 1 by 2 plus c or c double dash. Then what will be your complete integral is, that is I1 minus I2. So we got our answer is, that is integral of this will be minus 3 under root of 5 minus 2x minus x square. This is your I1, and this part is your I2, and your integral of I2 is twice sine inverse x plus 1 divided by under root 6, and c plus c double dash, that will be, you can write it as c, as we do not know its value. So just note it down.